The Nokia Lumia 205G is shaping up to be a true powerhouse in the modern smartphone market, combining high-end performance, cutting-edge display technology, and massive battery endurance. At its core is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor, which promises ultra-smooth performance for gaming, multitasking, and demanding applications, making it one of the fastest phones in its class. Complementing this is a 144Hz QHD Plus OLED display, delivering stunningly vibrant colors, deep blacks, and fluid motion for an immersive experience whether you're streaming videos, scrolling social media, or playing high frame rate games. On the photography front, the 400MP main camera is designed to capture breathtaking detail, offering versatility for landscapes, portraits, and low-light shots, potentially including advanced computational photography features for sharper images. Powering all this is a massive 9,000 mAh battery, which not only ensures that heavy users can go well beyond a full day without charging but also supports fast charging to minimize downtime. With such a combination of premium performance, industry-leading display, flagship-level camera, and unrivaled battery life, the Lumia 205G positions itself as a flagship-class device that appeals to tech enthusiasts, gamers, and mobile photographers alike, delivering a balanced package that aims to stand out in a crowded market.